Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back. Wanna unbox some stuff with me? You ain't doing nothing else. Let's take a look. We're doing Mickey Loot. This is their B-ticket box. We're gonna jump into this right now. Alright, so this is Mickey Loot's B ticket. They have A, B, C, D, and E, just like the original ride tickets for Disneyland. E tickets were the fanciest thrill rides they had. So this is toward the less expensive of them, but we soon have an E-ticket box that we ordered that'll be here. So this is $75, includes shipping. Yeah. Ready? Alright. So, spoiler sheet. And we've got Ursula on a postcard. Chris, we hope you are feeling more like yourself again and that this new year treats you well. Thanks for everything, Mickey Loot. If you haven't watched before, I had a bad bout with COVID, and I was laid up for 7 weeks. Thank you very much, Mickey Loot. I am feeling much better. And there's Ursula. Alright. So Mickey Loot doesn't do confetti, but they do glitter bags. I'm not a glitter bag. Not enough air in it. I can't. Got it! This one's easy. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, but wait. Oh, I poured it all over myself. I think that catching on to what I'm doing with these. Oh boy. Oh, that was a good one. Okay. Oh. That one was sad. Alright, so a thing Mickey Loot likes to do is wrap them up like Christmas presents, which is very cool. I am so covered in glitter right now. Woo! Merry go mad! So this says Disney Switchboard. Oh, it's not a blind box because I can see the pin, but it says it does say mystery set, but I can see it. Well, you know what? It says 12-pin collection. Each box contains 1 of 6 revealed and 1 of 6 mystery. It's all coming clear now. Well, let's see what we got. Besides the one I can see. So the one I can see is an excellent Mickey pin. Mickey on the phone, can't see that. Throw it in the photo box. Boop. I likey. And then the other one. Let's see. There's a snake in my boot. I don't know why I even do that. Boop. I like it. So one is Mickey on the phone, and this one's Woody on the phone. Is that the theme? Donald on the phone, Buzz on his wrist, Kermit on the phone. Yep, there's definitely a theme here. That's why it's called Disney Switchboard. I got it. I figured it out. So this is a real blind box where you can't see the pins at all. Winnie the Pooh. I guess we'll send that one back.
Ha!
Limited edition mystery collection. 10 puzzle pins. Limited edition of 900 each pin. So you've got all the poo people. Let's see what we got. It's Rue! I'm not gonna do it this time, I'm just gonna boop! I almost fell for it. So that's cool. So it's an alley pin of 900. Very nice. Now Mary's gonna want the rest of the puzzle. With all the poo people. Alright. Oh. Yay! That's the last one, I promise. I have no clue. Look at this! It's Space Mountain. Is it a mug? I don't know. What is it? I don't think I could drink out of it, so and it has a lid. So what do you put in it? I love it, but I don't know what to do with it. Do you put gravy in it? Walt Disney World, Space Mountain, Disneyland Resort, Inaugural Flight Commander. That doesn't help me at all. I know I've seen it. I just don't know. You could put soup in there and then keep it warm with the lid. Either way, it's going to be a cool display item. But if I try to drink coffee out of it, I'm going to spill it all over myself. Because the top is really skinny. I'll put that in the photo box. Very nice. Boop. I really like it. I'm not trying to make fun of it. I just don't know what to do with it. I am not the sharpest pencil in the box. And finally, there's so much glitter in my goatee. Ooh. Oh. Look at how cute he is. Gotta order another frame. That is too cool. And then it has the certificate about the artist on the back, but it's in there backwards, so I can't read it to you right now. But this was $30 in the park. I love it! I love Disney art. Awesome. Alright, spoiler sheet. So I will throw this in the on the screen for you. Boop. Space Mountain figural mug. Nailed it. $22.99. Celebration Faux the Mouse. Celebration of the Mouse. Little snafu on the typewriter there. Typewriter.
Oh my gosh.
$29.99. Character Connection Winnie the Pooh Mystery Collection Pin Set $17.99. Disney Dashboard Mickey Limited Edition Mystery Set of $19.99. Total of $90.96. That cost us $75, 2-hour door, including shipping. And if you see the little notation on the bottom that says Parks Item, all 4 of these items came from the park. How cool is that? $90. Cost us $75. I love it! How can you go wrong for $75? All right. I'm a happy guy. I'm going to go drink some soup out of my mug.
And clean up the glitter.
We'll talk. That's your official title?
No.
Confetti Relocation
not
Specialist.
glitter.
It's just small confetti. I gotta go. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.